Here is how to bot Twitch chats instantly. Let's get right to it. First, go to Naizop.com using the link in the description below. Create an account or log in directly via Google Login to get started. Next, go to Deposit to add some funds. You can top up using card, crypto, and more. It is fast and simple. Next, go to New Order. Click the search bar and type Twitch chatbots. Then choose the first option, which costs $15.20 per 1,000. From there, you add your post link, and then the amount you want. In this video, let's test this with 20, then tap Order Now. Here's how it went, and the Twitch chatbots got in. I waited just a few minutes, checked the stream, and the chat was already moving with the exact amount we requested. Now, the risk of doing this is that it goes against Twitch's terms of service, so you need to be smart about how often you run it. Go to Naizop using the link in the description below. Drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials on growing your channels.